Alright guys, today we're going to make a tree sculpture. Here's some examples from some other second grade students. One made a red one and here's a pink one. Towards the end you'll be able to add some embellishments or decorate your trees in your own unique style. The first step is you can work with a pencil or Sharpie is fine, but you're going to be making some dots to show us kind of like a guideline here in the middle. So if you come over here on the right side, come down about 2 or 3 inches, about right in there, you're going to make a dot. And then over here on the left side, we're going to come up about 1 inch, and we're going to make another dot. After that, we're going to draw a line that connects the two. Now this does not have to be a perfect straight line, it's just a guideline. You will not see it in the end. For our next step, we're going to be making a bunch of slits. We're going to cut them. So we're going to start on the bottom and we're going to work our way down all the way down to this line. And we're going to make a lot of them. Okay? So I'm going to start off right here with this first one. And I like to work on the right side going to the left because it's easier to hold. So I'm just going to go like this and cut, and I'm going to be cutting a lot. Okay? So I'm going to stop it here in a little bit while you guys work. About 5 minutes it should take about to cut these. Do a nice quality work. Alright, now we're going to do the part where we're going to wind it up, okay? And we're going to start on this side over here. Okay, this is where it's long and the cuts are short. So I'm going to turn my paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it like this. I'm just going to get it going. Sometimes you have to kind of get it going a little bit like this just to get it to kind of get that fold going. Not really a fold, but kind of a curve. Okay? Once you get that first one going, you can go ahead and start rolling it. Now, if this is tricky for you, you can do it once, let it go, and then try it again. That paper takes some time to get a little bit looser. Now, as I get towards the end, right here is the area where I'm going to be gluing. It might be a good idea to have your glue stick all ready to go before you do it on there. Okay? Before you start winding it up, I guess. I'm going to put a lot of glue right there, and I'm just going to let it roll over that glue, and then I'm going to hold it. Okay? I'm going to try to get that bottom to get straight there. Kind of tap it maybe a little bit, and then I would hold it for a little while here and pinch it. Okay? You could probably count to 20 or 30 and it should stay. Alright, looks like mine's just about ready to stay here. And the final step, before I add embellishments and decorations, is to take a pencil or some type of utensil, like a Sharpie probably could work. But in this case, I think I want to do a pencil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the outermost strip here. I'm going to put my pencil right here, and I'm going to wind it around it. Okay? And what I'm trying to do is to get this to get nice and tight. So when I pull on this, it's actually going to, watch this, when I pull it, it gets a nice little spiral on it on the end. So what you do is you just kind of work around it, trying to get them spirally. I even have some friends I've seen that instead of doing a spiral one, they'll do kind of a folded one back and forth, and that one gives it a different type of look. If you want to give it a different look, you can kind of see how that goes, and that can give you more of a crimped look there as you work on yours. But it should be kind of interesting to see how you guys do on them and what kind of style you like on your tree. All right, guys, good luck with your work today.